What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Sorry if I'm talking a little loud. I got the traffic going by, so I really want you guys to hear me. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Ethos Car Care's interior detailer. Now, I've been using the same detailer since I started detailing, and I was ready to switch it up. So I've been hearing great things about this Ethos interior detailer, so we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a shot. Now, if you don't know me, I like a absolute matte finish. I don't like shiny dashes. I don't like residue behind. I don't like putting dressings on the inside of the interior. I like straight matte. Looks like nothing's on the plastic, but it's protected. So we're gonna see what this Ethos Car Care interior detailer can do. It says it cleans and protects all interior surfaces. Now, a quick note: interior detailers are not to clean heavily soiled places. If your interior needs to be cleaned, you need to clean your interior first, then apply your detailer. The detailer is good for light dust on the dashboard, maybe little fingerprints here and there. Pretty much just lightly soiled interior surfaces. Think of it this way: your detailer for your paint, you want to use when it's dusty, maybe light fingerprints, you want to use your spray detailer to wipe down the outside, that's fine. But if the outside of your paint is filthy and it's dirty, you need to wash the car. So think of it that way. If your interior is pretty bad shape, you might want to clean it with a designated interior cleaner first and then hit it with the interior detailer. That's what I like to do. The final touches after the car's clean, I like to go through and wipe everything down with a detailer. So I'm going to go ahead and read the bottle real quick. Ethos Interior Detailer lightly cleans and protects interior finishes in one easy step. This non-greasy, streak-free formula provides UV protection and helps neutralize unwanted odors. There is no better or easier way to maintain a clean, crisp interior. So this does have odor neutralizers in it. Do a quick smell test. Oh, it smells so good. Almost smells like a pina colada. It's got I can smell a little coconut, but I know that there's other stuff in this, but to me, just smells like a mixed drink, like I want to be on the islands with my coconut and my straw with my little umbrella. That's what I smell. Let's see. Let's go over the instructions. Spray product directly into microfiber cleaning towel to prevent unwanted overspray. Wipe interior surface evenly and deliberately until desired cleaning finish is achieved. Remove any excess product with a clean and dry microfiber towel. Best use on lightly soiled surfaces for deep cleaning. Sorry. A friend of mine just drove by. Lightly used surfaces. I think that might be a typo. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can get this in there. I don't think you guys will be able to see that, but it says best used in lightly used surfaces. I think that should be soiled. For deep cleaning, we recommend our all-purpose cleaner. So, like I was saying, if you're going to deep clean, use a designated all-purpose cleaner or interior cleaner before. Safe for all interior surfaces. So we're going to be testing that out. Spray a little bit on the glass, see how that does. Non-greasy factory matte finish. Right down my alley. Provides UV and odor protection. Removes light dust, fingerprints, smudges, and grime. So, got a car here that I just finished detailing, and I'm on the finishing steps. So I'm gonna get you guys set up over here in the interior, and we're gonna check out this Ethos Car Care interior detailer. All right, everybody, we are set up here on the passenger side of this Hyundai. Got my interior detailer here. And go ahead and shake it up really good. Put it on spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a couple sprays into my towel. Oh, nozzle's leaking a little bit. It smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this dashboard down. And we're gonna see what kind of finish it has on it. Hopefully you guys are getting a good view there. Smells so good. Really does smell good. Everybody's got their own type of smell that they like, their own scent. But I can tell you right now, it smells just so good. All right. Wipe down, perfect. So I'm gonna flip my towel over, just kind of buff it off a little bit. That's pretty much it. Gonna bring you guys in close here. Literally no residue whatsoever. Nice matte finish, exactly what I look for in an interior detailer. It smells amazing. Let's go over here. I'm gonna get you guys set up. Let's check how it does on the center console here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick few sprays into my microfiber towel. Here we go on the center console lid. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a good wipe down. And this time I'm not gonna flip the towel to buff it off. What I'm gonna do is just wait. See how it dries by itself. It's already starting to dry. See if it leaves any high spots or anything like that. Up here it looks really good. Hopefully all you guys out there are staying safe with this whole COVID-19 stuff. Having awesome days, nights, evenings, whatever it is where you guys are at. I know I say that a lot, but that's kind of like my saying, I guess, now. It looks pretty much dry. No residue whatsoever. Nice matte finish. Give you guys a better view here. So far, I am liking it. Now that we got the center console done, last test is overspray on the glass. Sometimes some people like to spray it directly on here, and then they get a little bit onto the windshield. Let's see how this stuff wipes off on glass. Oh shoot. Now that wiped off super easy. Not one streak. Hey, that's awesome. That works really well. I'm impressed. Very impressed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the interior. Go ahead and give everything a wipe down, and then we're gonna go into some final thoughts on the Ethos interior detailer. All right, we are at the final thoughts segment of the Ethos Car Care interior detailer. No, I didn't use that much. The cap was loose. I knocked it over. I wasn't paying attention, and I looked, and there was a puddle of precious interior detailer. So I lost a little out of the bottle. Little goes a long way. I did not use that much. I was kind of bummed when I looked down and I saw that puddle. I was really bummed. But final thoughts on the Ethos interior detailer. This is an absolute 2 thumbs up product for me. Absolute love this product. From ease of application, no greasy residue, matte finish. It smells absolutely amazing. I mean, the whole inside of the car just smells fantastic. I mean, it smells amazing. As far as any issues getting on the glass, I mean, it wiped right off. No problems, no streaking, nothing left on the window, on the glass. So that was definitely a plus. I'm going to show you guys real quick, quick after shot of the interior after going around inside the whole car, wiping everything down, all the door panels and dash. I'll show you that here real quick. So as you guys could see, the interior finish was perfect for my liking. If you like a shiny dash or a shiny interior, this product's not for you. It dries completely matte factory finish, which is what I like. Everybody's got their own style and taste. I don't bash that, but I like a clean matte finish. I don't like anything shiny whatsoever. Any sheen to a dash or doors, I just don't like it. So I'm gonna wrap this up. 2 thumbs up product here, guys. Go check out the Ethos Interior Detailer. You will not be disappointed. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for coming along and watching this video. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, click that bell. That way when I upload more videos, reviews, details, you guys get notified. And I hope you guys all have a fantastic day, night, evening, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video.